We are in Krangshuriwater waterfalls, Amlarem, West Hill district. There's so many tourists out here. This is my students. Satyam, hello. Have a look. Yay! Come. Here's there one guy. I feel like touching the water. Hello. I feel like touching the water like this. Wow. This is really nice. And this is the giant waterfall out there. Up there. You can see, yes. Yes, you can see, yes. Yeah. Under the cave, like waterfall, Krangshuriwater waterfall. This is the Krangshuri. So this is a cave-like thing where they used to hide their talabar, kukri, alright, weapons. So this is what you can see, alright. So this is a good place to hide from your enemy. Here I am, and this is me. I got the lemon coat. Oh, it looks awesome. Okay, this is my first time with life jacket.
Yeah.
I haven't had any experience with this. I don't know whether I float or I will drown. Okay, but I'll try.
You have to shout okay before giving a dive.
1, 2, 3, go, sir! I don't know swimming here. This is much deeper than the other one. So he's flying.
Yes.
I can't go. I will just sit there. Okay, too long. Okay, मेरा भी एक लेना. खींचे मैंने. ऐसे. अच्छा आ रहा है.
लगा था आपके 1, 2, 3 पर.
I don't know. I'm scared of going down. ये जाओगे ना जाओ. मेरी ऐसे लाइफ जैकेट है.
I think I'm heavy with this, man.
और मुझे सीधा कर कोई.